In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create email campaign in Aweber. To begin, sign into your Aweber account and look at the main navigation. Find Automations, then select Workflow. This is where you build automated email sequences, also called workflows, that send messages based on a trigger and a schedule. Next, click Create Workflow. Aweber will ask how you want to start. You can choose a template if you want a ready-made structure that you can adjust. Or you can select blank workflow if you prefer to build everything from scratch. Templates are helpful when you want to move faster, while a blank workflow gives you full control. After you choose, enter a clear workflow name. Use something descriptive so you can recognize it later, especially if you manage multiple campaigns. Then click Create. Now you will set the trigger that starts the campaign. Choose on subscription if you want the workflow to begin as soon as someone joins your list. Or choose Tag Applied if you want the workflow to start only when a specific tag is added to a subscriber. Tag-based triggers are useful when you want different sequences for different interests or actions. With the trigger in place, you will build the email flow on the canvas. Drag the send message action into the canvas. This action represents an email that Aweber will send automatically once the workflow reaches that point. Then click Create a Message to write your email. Take a moment to add a clear subject line and keep the message focused on one main idea. If your email includes a call to action, make it easy to find and understand. When you are done, save the message so it is connected to your workflow. To control timing, drag wait actions between messages. This is how you set delays, like waiting a day or a few hours before the next email goes out. Use spacing that feels natural for your audience, and keep the schedule consistent so subscribers know what to expect. When everything looks correct, click Save and Exit. Finally, click Activate to start the campaign. Once it is active, new subscribers who meet your trigger will begin moving through the workflow automatically. That covers everything you need to know.